Fifth grade, Wednesday time. Here we go. So today, remember that you are working on your European Traveler project. This is the social studies project that we are working on before winter break. So if you need any reminders, go back up to Monday's work. If you forget about who your traveler is, you should have typed it here. We've talked about a few things about their background. We've talked about who sponsored your traveler. Today, we're going to talk about their trips that they went on. Okay? So, the first day when I did an example, I picked Leif Erikson. Okay? Yesterday when I did the example, I picked Christopher Columbus. Today for the example, I'm going to do John Cabot. Okay? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to answer these questions for you. Remember that you are answering the questions for your traveler. Okay? So, here we go. How many trips did my traveler go on? Okay. How many trips did John Cabot go on? Okay. Let's see. I'm going to read this here. Oh, interesting. He disappeared in Cabot's final days. Remain a mystery. I'm not sure about that. I read something different. But anyway, here where it says people also ask, how many voyages did John Cabot go on? Cabot mounted 3 voyages, which means that he went on 3 journeys. Okay, so John Cabot went on 3, and you can say trips. You can say, like what Google had said, voyage. You can say journeys. Those words mean the same thing. Okay. All right, next question. Add a map of where your traveler went over here. So I'm actually not going to type anything in this box. I just put it there because I wanted to make sure that you knew that there are 3 things that I wanted you to do. So what I'm actually going to do is, now there's a way to do this. Okay. I just want to show you really quick. If I search the web and I say John Cabot route or trip or journey, see there are a few maps here, but not a lot. Like this map, I don't even know what this is. This is a bunch of colors, and I'm guessing that this is Native American tribes, and who belongs there. Here shows the whole world. We don't need to know the whole world because he didn't visit the whole world. There's not a lot of options. Okay? And so, if you do find one right here that works, that's awesome. You can use that. But what I have found is that if I do the exact same thing on the actual Google, so I'll do John Cabot route, and look at images, there's way more pictures here of maps. Look at this. Okay, almost 10 full lines of maps. Okay, and they're all pretty good. Okay. All right. I want to make sure that this is correct, though. Remember that John Cabot went to, today will be called Canada. Okay. Like some of these here, like this looks like this is Christopher Columbus, because he went to Dominican Republic. I know it says John Cabot, but that is not correct. So I'm going to find this one here. I like this one. This one shows John Cabot's routes, 1497 and 1498. He went on 3, so there's probably went 2 times in 1498. Went up to North America up here, so I'm going to, there's a few things that you can do. Okay, so if you want to click on this, and you want to click and drag it up to the European Traveler project, and notice I'm still holding it over that tab, and then I can bring it down, put it right there. Okay, there's my map. Might have to resize it a little bit and reposition it so it works. One kind of cool thing is that these little red lines that pop up around the picture, that's to help you. Okay, so if you notice this one's kind of right down the middle of my slide, that means that this is right across the middle. So it's even. Okay? Kind of a cool little feature that Google Slides has for us. Alright, so 2 down. How many trips? Here's a map of where he went. What is your traveler known for? This is something that we can Google as well. If you're somebody who has Ferdinand Magellan, Leif Erikson, or Christopher Columbus, that's a little bit easier to know what he is known for. I'm going to Google this here. What is John Cabot known for? Okay. I said, what is he famous for? Same thing. So Italian explorer John Cabot is famed for discovering Newfoundland and was instrumental in the development of the transatlantic trade between England and the Americas. Although not born in England, John Cabot led English ships on voyages of discovery in Tudor times. All right, so that's a lot of words for saying John Cabot is best known for helping England find North America. Period. Okay, so there's John Cabot there. So we know that he went on 3 journeys. We know that here is the route that he went on from England to North America and back. John Cabot is best known for helping England find North America. Okay, and that is a big deal because the English people were obviously very important to starting the country, the United States. One proof of that is that today we speak English, right? If Christopher Columbus had gone to kind of where the United States is today, we'd probably be speaking Spanish, right? But he didn't. Christopher Columbus went to Dominican Republic, Cuba, Guatemala, Venezuela, and those places today speak Spanish because he was somebody who traveled from Spain. Okay, so John Cabot's obviously very important. Here in the United States, we speak English. He traveled for England. Who knows? Maybe if he never found North America and somebody from Italy had instead, maybe today we'd be all speaking Italian. Who knows? All right? It's kind of fun to think about that from the past. Okay, so that's John Cabot. Remember, you're answering these questions based on whoever you chose for your European traveler. Okay, remember, 10 a.m. today and every day, I am available for office hours. I know that this project is something that's a little bit different than what we usually do, but still, if you have any questions, any assistance, please let me know.